Food I wait for you?
Yeah.
Or you wait for the food?
Yeah, wait.
Alright. Bad chef. Bad chef. Fire red. Good in the pot. Yeah. Curry cover down. I have 2 breadfruit by the side. I go and roast. I'm on the plot today, so I peep out of his skin. I turn over that one there. Who's a fair now? Put on it, make them.
Enjay?
Again, you get breadfruit and curry chicken.
Coconut curry chicken?
First plate.
The first plate for the queen?
You want a knife? Piece of avocado to go with the meal. Avocados. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, sir. So guys, it's time to eat some food, you know. So everybody are drying up, you know. Yep. Catch for your food.
Yes, man.
Pear and
Yes,
breadfruit.
man. And curry chicken.
God.
Yes, man.
Yeah, avocado, bring it up, but I don't eat it.
Yes, man.
It look good.
Nice.
It tastes good?
Yes, man.
Let's see what. Yep. That's where the rest of our guys are doing now. Your water, Jalen? Your water? Water nice? Your water, bro?
Good.
Water
Very
good?
good.
So where you want now?
Food I wait for me.
Food I wait for you?
Yeah.
Or you wait for the food?
Yeah, wait for me.
Alright. So food is sharing.
Video we managed to get a nice laugh.
What happened?
All we drop.
Yeah, okay then.
That's what I'm here to I'm a tour about that.
So eat avocado and food. You do?
Soup my shit, because I don't eat avocado.
Something, right? That mess something there.
But I've been looking
So I'm blaze, man. Hmm?
I'm bleeding, y'all.
Where?
Guys, she was running for the food and she dropped.
Yeah, that
Oh, yeah,
people
right.
with hungry belly.
Today, become a creep up. I'm a 20 a buck off.
My food don't run fast. I'm not getting. Oh no, huh?
I'm mine. I'm a creeper. Yes.
Nick. Go for that, man. Hmm. Oh. Right, this is my plate being shared now. I want breadfruit and planted. Thank you.
Let's see.
And curry chicken.
For coconut chicken.
Curry coconut chicken. We got the coconut part. And that with them plate and then tin. You have to carry dry food. I say no, if you buy none, I have them put on. Preserve. That is mine. Thank you. Lovely. Yeah, microphone. Nice. Thank you. See the water make you no hungry. And me there, you know, don't feel hungry. Hmm? I cover mine for now. Give me
water?
my opinion on the food. Give me your opinion on the food.
Tastes damn good.
Tastes good? Very good. And your opinion?
Curry rundown chicken.
Yeah, tastes good.
Yes, good.
Alright. The mad one I know. Come. Tell me how food tastes.
Food tastes good, man.
Food tastes good.
Try something new today.
Okay. I wasn't the chef. That's the chef there. Yeah? Check in on them one here. No! How's the food, bro?
Good.
Food good? My food there, Lan. Food good. How you plate there? My God. Man, shell that. How's the food, Samir?
We must start eat yet.
How the food taste?
Yes, man, nice.
Now go on. Alright. You wanna go swim now? Swim, you wanna go swim? You wanna go swim? Eh? Alright, so we're gonna swim here. Well, we'll touch on the water and swim, you know? So stay tuned. Really broke your broke school is cold, you know, man. It's cold over here. What's your water cold?
No, the water died.
Dive at me see. Dive at me see.
That's for me and that one?
Yeah. I'm dive at me see.
Yeah, I like it.
No matter.
That's okay.
It's nice, yeah. Tell.
Spit and then spin. Terry, then go over.
Yeah. That's a belly flop. You can't swim. You can't swim. Yes. You can't swim. You can't swim. Go on out, Missy. People, we don't care, try it. Them say they can't swim. Go on now, you drop now. You can't stand up. You can't stand up, man.
You can't stand up.
Shallow.
It's shallow.
Shallow, man.
It's shallow. It's
No,
shallow.
jump on your foot then. Huh? I'll go on now, yeah. Sure, I don't gas him. You know.
Are we going?
Yeah, come
Ah,
down.
maybe I go. Maybe that's so.
Come now. Ready?
Yeah, even jump. Water beat me out.
See guys, we are going for the waterfall.
Yeah.
Boy Enjay, Abby, Bray around the back. Watch Ty and Samir. Say hi.
Go back in, bro.
Alright, Abby. Let's go. Come. Alright.
So people don't know out there, I never get the video. I capture a lot of the day because the rain was falling, so you know I couldn't get the video a lot because of that. But I still think we can capture the rest of the moment we have by the river and share it to you guys. So y'all just stay tuned. Watch out, we'll go up by this water. We'll go up there so right now so we can get to lie down in the water stream and enjoy the water some more. So stay tuned for that. Eh? I lie down if you lie down. So guys, we can go up on the top of that rock and jump off, but not now. up, bro? So guys, I'm gonna try to get across. And I'll go up on the store and take a picture. So guys, the job, I really miss that. Seriously? Come over here, get over here. By my store now. Where's the I do? The mine store. I see the water is very swift. Get up there, Sushi. We can't get up. My head drop. Yeah, my head drop. Come sit up. My head slide. Don't walk this way. Make it up. So guys, we're going to see if we can pack up the stuff then and head out. Whoa! That's simple. You know, so we'll pack up the stuff then guys and head out in our car. We go along that river, see? With that Broadstone River. You know? And we're done swim. We're going to be now, pack up the stuff then and head out. So y'all just stay tuned for the rest of the adventure. You walk to the left. Guys, over here is kind of deep, so she have to walk over here because she can't really manage the swimming, so she have to walk on the shallow side, you know. So we'll go get hair wash, stuff pack up, bathe, put on our clothes, climb back that hill, and we're going to head back. You know, as I say, we couldn't get record the entire day because of the rain, so we never have much time to be recording. We're more focused on getting the stuff and the food ready and so on, you know. But with all that being said, time now to get the stuff and pack up and head out, so keep on watching. Guys, we're going to head up by the spot, you know. You know, this is a really nice spot, guys. We call it Broadstone River. You know? Okay. Yeah. Deep. Alright guys, so we are going to head back up that side and get the stuff them ready. Don't fall, let me see. Yeah. Now you're drone. I think so. That going over here? Yeah. Go on.
Want to show you again?
No, go on.
You want somebody to show you again?
Yeah.
Go to she can't lift you up. We might drop you right when take you up. Oi. Put him dog. Hold this. Eh? But hold this up. Come and show you, bro.
So?
Yeah.
We can't all listen now, you know?
Later.
Baby, I come.
Oi. What about it? I can't carry this and I come.
Oh.
This. Yeah. Be back.
Yeah, me ask.
Stand up. Up. Yeah. I'm on the top. That's all.
Yeah.
Reach close, man.
By the grace of God.
You sure I wanna do it? Look, I wanna do it.
Boy.
Go on.
Now we sink on two. You know there, soon as you know you're gonna drop in, I just wait.
Grace of God.
Okay, you can't rest if I come up.
And if you don't drop, you're getting bill.
Nope. What show there? Come in, huh? So the only problem with the road, I stay away from my foot. Because I have to make an exception with my water. Yeah. Hold up.
I will carry up some here. You carry some here?
Oh, you're done bad.
Let me get Enjay come again.
Go on, bro. I'm get you.
Let me come back then.
Yeah. Bro, go on.
Hey guys. No, don't put your hand in there.
So I eventually make it at the top. Why, that was painful. Come in.
So them a come up the hard hill.
Make it can.
Bria.
I need to fix this for good.
No, we don't want to slide.
Jesus.
Alright, no, we should slide, man.
Thank you.
Make sure you not left me down there now.
You see, Abby, I go back down feet. There's something that will leave. Because she's strong, you know.
See water in our back there, use the wash your hand. How far?
Man,
That's just water.
make Enjay get some of my own drinking water, yeah? Watch, alright.
We made it.
Everybody made it. Everybody's here.
Yeah, we made it up. I'm looking at the jungle, down at the Gideon, at the rough to come up. So we walk from all the way down there, so come right up. And believe me, the road is terrible. Got to step down, we have to come up, people. Acha. This is not even a road, you know, sweep up. But we made it up still, and you know, wash our foot on pipe right there, so and we are board the vehicle now. We don't back. You see me? So that is it.